Crunchy Fat Clean friends, just read this over and we're going to get into it. This is going to be about scammers and buying fake reviews for your business, which in my opinion is not cool at all. All right, so we're going to get into it. I will share the screenshot if you want to read it better. But what this person did is they messaged me today asking if I want to buy Google reviews. They would leave Google reviews about how wonderful my business is, and I would pay them for it. I don't do that. I don't buy reviews. I think that's very shady. I would never do that personally. But it makes me wonder how many businesses do that. How many businesses are buying fake reviews to just build their business up? Personally, if you do that, I don't think you have morals, ethics, and I don't think you should be a business owner, because that's not how you run a business. That's not how you sell a product. That's not how you sell your service. You need to be authentic. You need to be real. You don't go and buy all this from somebody for 12 pounds or however much they're offering or asking. You don't buy reviews. They're not real. They're not authentic. They're not from real customers or clients. And it's just shady. And then second of all, I've also read articles where these people that offer to sell Google reviews or other app reviews for you, I've heard that they can also hijack your credit card or whatever method you paid with, because they're scammers. They don't care. There's no moral or ethics with what they're doing. So then you have to worry about your credit card or your PayPal or Venmo being hijacked by whoever these people are that are doing shady stuff. And why would you want to do that? Now, if you're a customer or a client on Google looking for a cleaning business or landscaping, or you want to buy a product and you see reviews, now you have to kind of wonder if the reviews are even real. But here's how you can decipher if they are. If they're Facebook reviews, you can easily try to find the person who left the Facebook review and see if they're in your area. If, let's say, you live in Lincoln, Nebraska, is that review from a person in Lincoln, Nebraska who's used that cleaning business? If it is, then that would make sense, because it's a local business and it's a local person leaving a review for a local business. If you're buying a product, just try to delve into the reviews, see if they do seem authentic. Reach out to the business before you buy the product and ask the questions directly to them. What are their products? What's their return policy? Whatever questions you may have, go directly to the business owner or the person selling the product or the person selling the service. Don't automatically rely on reviews, because you don't know if they're real or not. Like I said, if you can find reviews on Facebook or Google and you can find who the person is and see that they are local or it's somebody you know, try to hire somebody through word of mouth, somebody that your friend has used or a company your friend has used, so that you know it's real. It's a real review, as opposed to people offering to make fake reviews for a business and the business owner buys into it, physically buys fake reviews. Now, if you're a business owner, whether it's a cleaning service or you make a product or whatever it is that you do, I personally think this is very shady. And if you're a business owner, you really should not be buying fake reviews for your business. Just think about how immoral and unethical that is. And you have to worry about your method of payment, because if somebody is willing to stoop this low and have no morals, what do you think they're going to do with your credit card information or Venmo or PayPal? You got to think about these things. So buying fake reviews, don't do it if you're a business owner. And if you're the person offering this, shame on you. How do you sleep at night? That's disgusting. And don't ask me if I want to be involved with this, because my answer is no.